Hello ma'am, good morning. My name is Erica MP. Cortez. I am 25 years old and I live in Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija. I am very happy to have this opportunity to speak with you, and I am passionate about creating warm and welcoming home. I also have 4 years experience as a helper. In my previous role, I managed all aspects of household cleaning including ironing and laundry. And I also prepare delicious meals and healthy food like sinigang, steamed vegetables, the traditional Filipino dishes. I also have experience with the child care, and I enjoy playing with them and taking care of them. And I am organized and very efficient worker. I am happy to contribute to a well-maintained home. And I am looking for a long-term position where I can utilize my skills and ability to manage the time and responsibilities. Thank you.